Welcome back to our Home and Garden Haven channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible garden transformation that will leave you inspired. If you love gardening or just want to beautify your outdoor space, stick around for some amazing tips and tricks. Here's what we started with: a bland, uninspired garden that needed some serious love. Just look at this space. It's crying out for color and creativity. Let's get started. First things first, planning. We'll sketch out our ideas and choose the right plants. I'll share my top tips for selecting plants that thrive in your climate and how to create a cohesive look. Remember, it's all about balance and color. Now let's clear out the old plants and debris. This is where the magic begins. Watch as we transform this space step by step. Don't forget to wear gloves and be safe while working. Next up, planting. We're using a mix of perennials and annuals for year-round color. I'll show you how to plant them correctly for the best growth. Look at those vibrant colors coming to life. Now let's add some personality. We'll incorporate garden decor, like fairy lights and decorative pots, to make this space truly unique. It's all about creating a cozy atmosphere. And here it is, the big reveal. Can you believe this transformation? From a dull garden to a blooming paradise. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this transformation, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing garden projects. We'd love to have you join our gardening community.